सब्सक्राइब करो और घंटी दबाओ, नोटिफिकेशन आता।
Hello connections! Today marks day 17 and project 17 of my 30 days 30 project challenge, and I'm excited to introduce my latest project. The project name is Prime Number Checker. This tool helps user determine if a given number is prime number or not a prime number. It is a greater than 1 and divisible only by 1 and itself. It's a simple yet powerful demonstration of logic in programming built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Stay tuned for explaining of source code part. Come to the HTML part of the explanation. First of all, come to the doc type of HTML. It can be specified HTML version. Currently we are using HTML5 version, and take one HTML tag can be converted into language equal to English, so it will converted into English language. Then take one head tag we are using. There are few type of link up methods, and it can be, first of all, take one meta tag to cat set of UTF-8 attribute of cat set, then name of viewport and content width, device of width, and initial scale is 1.0. I take off title tag. Inside of I take a title of the name is prime number checker to display in the browser of the tab, and take one link tag can be linked with the external CSS to save in .css extension. Then after close the head tag, take one body tag can be display the visible to users. To instead of take one div class, instead of take one container, so like this way to visible the users. Then after take one heading tag of large heading tag. I take h1 tag to prime number checker to largest heading prime number checker, and then take off input of number to enter the prime number or not. I will take the one number to input type of number. Then take one id in number input. I write to accessing the from the JavaScript part of the code to giving the interactivity for this functionality, this text box, and take one placeholder to disable text. Whenever I come to the checkbox, text box, it can be show enter a number. This text is disabled. Then after come take the one button tag to id of check button, and inside of text is check of text in the button. Then take one paragraph tag to id result message of to accessing the result message in the below of the check button to please enter a valid number. This type of result can be visible to users after click the button. Whenever I enter the one prime number to just click the checkbox, it can be show the 19 is a prime number. So then after take one script tag to interactivity with the HTML page source of script.js. I can save the .js extension for this program. Then after close the body tag and HTML tag. These are the HTML part of the explanation. Then come to the CSS part explanation. I take one universal selector is can be defined in star symbol. Then I didn't take any type of margin for this browser, and padding also I didn't take, and a box sizing can be taking a border box. Then after close the selector of universal selector. Then take one body tag can be added. Font family can be taken sans serif, and background image can be linear gradient of orange, white and green color. I take in this browser showing like this for the total browser of background image color, and take already taking one class of a container inside the div class. To class equals to container, then I take the dot symbol can be defined into selector of class method inside of the container. I take max width of 600 pixel of the max width, and margin can be take of left side can be 300 pixel of auto margin. Then padding can be take 20 pixel, and text align can be center of the browser. Then background color is light blue of the container background color, and border radius can be 10 pixel of the rounded corners of a container, and box shadow is 0 0 and 10 pixel of RGBA red, green and blue. Alpha values can be 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.1. I take for this black color of RGBA, and I take one font text color is black color. Then after close the selector of class of container, and take largest heading of h1 selector. I take directly h1 tag of selector to open the selector. To property of font size can be 2 or EM. Then after margin bottom can be 20 pixel. Then close the h1 tag, and take one input text box can be take one selector type. To open the brace of property can be width is 100%, and padding width can be a 10 pixel, and margin bottom is 20 pixel, and border can be 1 pixel of solid white solid color, and border radius can be 5 pixel. It can be rounded corners of input text box, and font size can be 1 rem. And come to the button tag can be converted in directly converted into selector. To calling the property of padding is left can be 10 pixel, and right is 20 pixel of the spaces of padding of uh, button, and background color can be take one blue color, and text color is white color, and also border can be take I didn't take any type of border for this project, and outline can be also I didn't take any type of outline. Font size can be 1 rem, and cursor is pointer. Whenever I take the cursor to button tag, it will be automatically change the hand shape symbol of pointer, and the border radius can be 5 pixel to rounded corners of the button. Then finally come to the paragraph of result message. Result message can be font size is 1.2 rem, and font weight can be bold color, and margin top is 20 pixel. Check the it can be bold color of 19 is a prime number. So these are the CSS part of the explanation. Then finally come to the JavaScript part of explanation. I call the one add event listener of DOM content loading of function. To the take one constant data type, to take one variable of number input. To HTML element can be accessing of ID to the number input of from the HTML page of part of input text box of number input. Whenever I enter the input, it will be interacting with the JavaScript functionality. To document dot get element by ID of number input. Then take one another one data type of constant check button. It is interacting with the button of the HTML structure of page. To check button document dot get element by ID of check button. Whenever I click the check button, it will be showing the message of 19 is a prime number. So then after it is a take one data type of result message. it is the result of this program. So result message can be document dot get element by id of result message. It can be accessed through the HTML page of paragraph tag. Paragraph open id equals to result message. Then after take one check button of add event listener. Clicking of single click button of function can be open of number, can be int type integer of number, input can be value. Numbers prime numbers is a present, so I take the present in this method. I take one condition of is non-number. uh, this condition, this logic can be whenever I didn't any type of give any type of input from the user, please, it can be browser can be please enter a valid number, throwing a error from the result message to text content of please enter a valid number, and result message of style dot color can be red color. It will be showing the red color of please enter a valid number, can be show the red color, can be written. Then logic of the correct prime number logic. So take one condition of is prime of number. The result message can be text color of number, can be is a prime number. Whenever I give the prime number, it can be show the green color of 5 is a prime number. It can be color is green color. Result message dot style dot color equal to green. Then after take one else part of the logic to is a not prime number. Whenever I give the one not a prime number, it can be showing the 54 is a not a prime number, so it is the color is red color. Result message dot style dot color is red. Then after close the all conditions, then take one condition to write the logic of the prime number. Function of the is prime of number if number less than 1 can be uh, written a not prime number. Whenever I give the less than of the 1, it's divisible by 1 itself to return false. Then if number less than 3 also can be true. Then if number percentage to strict equal to 0 or number of modulo division of 3 strict equal to 0 can be written through the false. After another one condition is return true. These are the JavaScript part of the explanation. Thank you for the watching this video. Stay tuned as I continue this journey of coding, learning and innovation. Let's keep going together. Thank you.